pleasure to welcome you here to this the Scientific Machine Learning Lab workshop. The lab was the first funded lab in the Thematic Data Science Lab. So as you're probably aware by now, with a mission to develop ecosystem around research, education, training, and outreach in scientific machine learning. And we've had a number of events over the last couple of years, including workshops, tutorials of the materials that have been developed. It's great to see the thriving research program of the lab members and people affiliated with them, as you can see from the people here as well. So great work, and I'm going to hand it over to you, Lutis, now.
Thank you, Nick. So of course, none of this would be possible without the Tumbit's support, and of course you personally. So I'll use 5 minutes to tell you a little bit about our lab. So basically, well, let's skip this. Scientific machine learning. Okay, so the idea is we're going to introduce physics into machine learning. So the basic idea is, suppose you have a physical, you have a PDE, Navier-Stokes equation. You're trying to model flow of a liquid around the cylinder. So it's and you have some you have a tracer in the fluid, and you want to model the velocity of the fluid, the pressure, and the tracer concentration. You only know the inlet velocity and a few scattered data points on the concentration. And you know the Navier-Stokes equations. Okay, that's all you know. You don't know any boundary conditions. You don't know the location of the cylinder or the obstacle here. You don't know what the boundary conditions on the cylinder are. The only thing you know is you have some data on the concentration and you have Navier-Stokes equations. Okay. So based on this, this is not a PowerPoint, so I cannot play it. But you're able to reconstruct all 4 fields. So you're seeing the output of a neural network. So each of this neural network has 4 outputs, and it calculates these 4 fields. If you want to see the movie, then you can go to our website, and the movie is there. Okay. So the Scientific Machine Learning Lab was established in January 21st, 2021. And it was the first thematic data science lab at Tumbits. Now we have a few more. So we support and grow a multidisciplinary community here at Texas A&M that are interested in SciML. We also are supposed to be a catalyst for education. Okay, so we do short hands-on courses, seminars, workshops, etc. Tumbits also supports postdoctoral researchers and graduate students. So there's a website. You can go here and you can get more information. So like I said, we have educational community building. We have this annual workshop. We have, like I said, tutorials, hands-on training. We had a hackathon run by John Tao last year. We have this seminar series, which is no longer monthly, but it's now semester based. And our seminar is coming up next week, by the way. It's the next one in the series. And we also teach a new SciML class, which we put together with the help of Ming this year. And it was taught this spring, and now it's going to be taught again. It's not on Howdy yet, but it is going to be taught this spring.